we are going to discuss numerical problems based on solution. The first topic in solution is expression of concentration solution. So first we will take up the numerical problem based on expression of concentration solution. Example 1. A solution, a 10% KCl solution has density 1.1 gram per centimeter cube, and we have to calculate molarity, normality and molality of solution. Calculate molarity, normality and molality of solution. Also to calculate and also calculate mole fraction of each component. Mole fraction of each component of solution. Okay, this is the numerical problem. So first of all, we should read the question. What is the question? In this question, what things given to us? 10% KCl solution. And second thing which is given to us, that is density. So 10% KCl solution by mass, although it is not mentioned here, if the 10% KCl solution is by mass or by volume. If nothing is mentioned, then we have to take it as by mass. So 10% KCl solution by mass, that means mass of solute means KCl, that is equal to 10 gram. So 10% KCl solution by mass means mass of KCl is 10 gram, that is solute, and mass of solution will be 100 gram, because it is by mass, percentage given by mass. So mass of KCl and solute 10 gram, mass of solution is 100 gram, and volume of solution we can calculate, because we have to calculate molarity and normality. We need volume of solution. So volume of solution equal to mass of solution divided by density. And mass is 100 gram, density is 1.1, so it comes around 90.9 centimeter cube. We can put this value directly without calculation in 100 and over 1.1. So now, first of all, we have to calculate molarity. Formula of molarity is mass of solute into 1000 divided by molecular mass of solute into volume of solution. Volume of solution in centimeter cube. This is a formula for calculation of molarity. So mass of solute given to us, that is 10 gram, and into 1000, molecular mass of solute can be calculated by using the atomic mass of potassium and chloride. So potassium atomic mass is 39 and chlorine 35.5 into volume of solution, that is 100, and density will be here. So it is 10 into 1000 into 1.1 divided by 74.5 into 100. So we can simplify it at 11,000.
सर ये बुक इस साइड कर देना,
divided by
बुक नीचे रख देना. थैंक यू.
divided by 74.5 into 100. So we can calculate it, and its value comes out to be you have to calculate by using calculator. I don't know its value, what is its value. So by this, in this way, we can calculate molarity of solution. Okay. Next is normality of solution. This was one part, molarity. Now normality of solution. Normality denoted by capital N. And you know normality formula is, normality is equal to mass of solute into 1000 divided by equivalent mass into volume of solution. And equivalent mass, see we can compare molarity and normality. You can see what is the difference between in their formula. In case of molarity, we are taking molecular mass, while in normality we are taking equivalent mass. And you know equivalent mass is equal to molecular mass divided by valence. So we can substitute the values. Molecular mass of solute is 10 into 1000, and equivalent mass is equal to molecular mass divided by valence. Valence is 1. That's why in this case equivalent mass and molecular mass will be same. So into 100 into 1 point. So it means in this case, because molecular mass and equivalent mass are same due to same valence on the ions, that's why normality and molarity will be same. Now what is the relationship? I should add one point here. Relationship between normality and molarity. So normality and molarity equal to molarity into valence. This is the relationship between them. So if you know the normality, you can calculate molarity by using this formula. If you know the molarity, and then you can calculate normality by using this formula. So two terms we have calculated. Molarity of solution has been calculated, normality as calculated. Now third point is the molarity of solution. Okay, is it clear or not? Now third point is molarity of solution. Molarity, it is denoted by small n. And molarity, you know, molarity is the number of moles present in 1000 gram of solvent. That is the molarity. So that's why its formula comes out to be molarity is equal to mass of solute into 1000 divided by molecular mass into mass of solvent. If you compare this formula with the molarity, so what is the difference? In case of molarity, we used here volume of solution, but in case of molarity, we are taking the mass of solvent. And you know, mass of solvent, how can we calculate it? Mass of solvent depends on the mass of solution. So mass of solvent is equal to mass of solution minus mass of solute. Okay, so mass of solution is 100 gram, mass of solute is given to us 10 gram, so mass of solvent will be 90 gram. Now we can substitute the values in the formula. So molarity is equal to mass of solute, that is 10 into 1000, and molecular mass is 74.5 as we already calculated, and to 90. So this is the formula to calculate molecular mass, molarity of solution, and 74.5 we can calculate by using calculator. So in this way we calculated molarity of solution, normality of solution, molarity of solution. Now last point is how to calculate mole fraction. And you may be knowing what is the definition of mole fraction. Mole fraction is the ratio of the number of moles of a particular component to the total number of moles of solution, total number of moles of all the components present in the solution. So अगर हमें ये पता है कि यहाँ इस solution के अंदर यहाँ पे दो कंपोनेंट है, एक है पोटेशियम क्लोराइड, दूसरा कंपोनेंट है वाटर. Because second component is not mentioned, it means this is the aqueous solution of KCl. So one component is KCl, other component is water. So to calculate mole fraction of KCl in water, first of all we should understand what is the number of moles of KCl and water. So first of all we will calculate, क्या calculate हमें करना है, मोल, number of mole of KCl और दूसरा number of moles of water. So number of moles of KCl, number of moles of potassium chloride. So what is the formula to calculate number of moles? You may be knowing, we have already discussed, number of moles is equal to mass of that substance divided by molecular mass. Mass of KCl is 10 gram and molecular mass is 74.5. Okay, this is the number of moles. And number of moles of water, that is mass of water, how much, that is 90, that is solvent, divided by molecular mass of water, that is it will be 5. So if you want to calculate mole fraction of KCl, हमें क्या करना है, हमें करना है कि नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ KCl 10/74.5 ये ऊपर लेना है और नीचे दोनों के मोल्स को हमने जोड़ देना है. तो 5 plus 10/74.5. In this way you will calculate mole fraction of KCl. If you want to calculate mole fraction of water, then number of moles of water, that is 5, ये हमने ऊपर लेना है as okay as numerator and 5 plus 10/74.5 as denominator. Okay, so in this way you calculate mole fraction of H2. As already we have discussed, the total mole fraction of all the components in a solution always equal to 1. So in this case there are only two components. So if we have calculated mole fraction of a component and second component mole fraction can be calculated directly. कैसे? By using the formula. जैसे इसी केस में ले लीजिए, हमें मोल फ्रैक्शन H2O का निकालना था, तो H2O का मोल फ्रैक्शन 1 माइनस मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ KCl ऐसे निकाल सकते हैं. ये अगर आपको KCl का निकालना है, इस केस की हम बात करें माइनस मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ H2O. Okay, so total mole fraction of all the component in a solution always is 1. तो अगर मान लीजिए वहां पे तीन कंपोनेंट है, दो कंपोनेंट का मोल फ्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट कर लो, तीसरे का मोल फ्रैक्शन 1 माइनस प्लस सम ऑफ मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अदर टू कंपोनेंट्स. तो दिस इज द सिंपल क्वेश्चन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सिंपल. एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार आता है. मैंने इसमें यहाँ पर हमने 4 टर्मिनोलॉजी को कवर किया, नॉर्मलिटी, मोलरिटी, मोल फ्रैक्शन, मोलरिटी और जनरली ये 4 टर्म्स आते हैं. Okay, now other problem we will take up another problem. Okay, in next clip we will discuss next problem.